Rockenbach is a complete construction and remote control play system for your entire family. From preschooler to preteen, parent to grandparent, thousands of families agree that Rockenbach offers something for everyone. Rock blocks let beginning builders bring their ideas to life, building up and out in 3 dimensions. As your child advances, so does Rockenbach. Introduce your child to Rockenbach remote control machines and watch their imagination take flight. Continue to add building sets and more machines to enhance creativity and challenge. All of the action is controlled by the Rockstar controller. Our unique control technology allows even preschoolers to use it with ease. You can control all of your Rockenbach machines with a single controller, or add more controllers for more players whenever you're ready. Rockenbach creates playtimes where fun and learning collide. This great building toy, and the child-parent interaction it inspires, means that Rockenbach isn't just playtime. It's playtime well spent.
This adventure brought to you by Rockworks Construction and Action Set. Start your child's adventure today.